We'll guide you through how to generate ChatGPT responses using the latest methods available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to OpenAI's website and log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the ChatGPT section located on the main dashboard. You'll see a text input box where you can type in your prompts, type your question or request clearly, and hit the enter key to generate a response. The AI will process your input and provide an answer. If you're looking to refine the response, you can specify the context or add more details to your prompt to guide the AI better. You can also set the tone or style of the response by including phrases like "write in a formal style" or "make it conversational." For more comprehensive results, consider breaking down complex queries into smaller parts. This helps the AI understand and respond more accurately. If you need to adjust the response length, you can mention this in your prompt by saying "provide a brief summary" or "give a detailed explanation." Remember that experimenting with different prompts can greatly enhance the quality of the responses you get. If you're on a subscription plan, check your usage to ensure you're within your limits, as this might affect the number of responses you can generate. By following these steps, you can effectively create tailored responses using ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.